Hi, my name is Alicia Fenster. I go to Boca Beauty Academy. I'm enrolled in the medical esthetician program, and I graduate August 12th, 2024. I've always had a love for beauty, so after taking my tour around the school, I knew that my passion here would thrive. I highly recommend Boca Beauty Academy to anybody who is looking into skincare or has a passion for skincare. I've learned a remarkable amount while I'm here and have gained the confidence that I need in order to be successful in the real world. Our academic coordinator, Miss Letty, has always went above and beyond to make sure that our experience here is extraordinary. Boca Beauty also holds job fair days through the school year and has built-in resume days in order to set us up for the future. My teachers and staff have been so supportive and also share the same passion that I have, and for that it has made my experience so much more memorable. They're dedicated to help us thrive here, and for that, I'm so thankful that I chose Boca Beauty Academy.